Hi, and welcome to the Knee Replacement Support Group for 2018. My name is Tony Maritato, and I'm a licensed physical therapist here in Middletown, Ohio. I created this group as a safe place for patients looking for answers. There's lots of physical therapists and occupational therapists in this group, eager and ready to help answer questions. I know how confusing and frightening it could be being a patient trying to navigate the healthcare system. And especially after a procedure like a knee replacement. You get home after surgery and there's all the questions that come flooding in, from how do I position myself so I get the best night's sleep, to what should I be eating, to what happens if I have a negative reaction to the medication. So if you have a question, or you're just looking for friends going through the same experience as you, come join our group. It's the Knee Replacement Support Group 2018. Again, my name's Tony Maritato, and we're here to help. Thanks for watching.